Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Imsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or all like video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and please make sure press the bell icon. So you told any other amazing video like this one, and then don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, please watch this video to end and don't miss any other amazing videos and designs. So guys, I am back a beautiful idea about Mother Day flower decorations in different styles, different color combination, different sizes. I hope you enjoy my most beautiful video and most amazing, most creative designs. All the designs are very unique and trading. If you know about my YouTube channel or like video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you new my channel and don't miss any other amazing video, and then don't forget to subscribe my channel. I am sure Mother Day decoration ideas from this video. If you like any designs and take screenshot of it, and also do try my amazing decoration, and they are easy to make decoration absolutely beautiful. If you like any designs and if you know my channel and don't miss any other amazing videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. And also please make sure press the bell icon. If you don't miss any other amazing like this one. I hope you like this decoration with themed and color combinations. Whether simple or beautiful color flower decorations showcase love and celebration. If you want to see more make decoration ideas and any party decoration ideas and any cake decoration ideas, please visit my channel. And then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until you take care of yourself and people around you. Allah Hafiz.